Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Android Auto to use apps on your car screen. So if you want to use your phone but you are in the car, you can use this Android Auto so you can open the apps on your car screen. So just open the settings on your Android phones, and in here click on this Bluetooth and devices options. Scroll down until you find this Android Auto. Click on that. So in the Android Auto here, there are some settings that you can set, and I'm going to explain some of the settings. So the first you can start by connecting your device with your car. Just click on this to connect it and make sure that your car is also ready to be paired with. And after that, here you can adjust if you want to start connecting it automatically. Just set it in here, and after that you can also start Android Auto while locked. So when your phone is locked, it's still available. You can also start music automatically in here. If you want to turn it off, just click on this and the display. Here you can choose which apps show in Android Auto and how they appear in the screen in the car screen launcher. So just click on this customize launcher, but I think you need to do it on the car also here. So you can also add shortcut to the launcher. Here you can adjust which apps that can be see in the car screen. You can also add the taskbar widgets, so you can show quick control for apps, and you can also use the Google Assistant. Here you can use this Hey Google the detection. You can adjust it in here. You can enable it in here by clicking on this. Okay, I'm going to just skip this part because you need to set the voice first. Here you can also set the messaging notifications on the car screen, and for the advanced setting you can also adjust the driver seat location, and you can change the layout to be closer to the driver. So I suggest you use this Android Auto if you're on in the car and you can still use your phone. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.